My name's Cindy Fred.
My name's Bob Fred.
So I came to Nelson Elder Law looking for some guidance about what to do with my elderly parents. They were both in their 90s, still in their home, and we were seeing the need for them to have a lot more assistance, and they had worked all their lives, and we wanted to respect their work, their hard work, what they had in the way of assets that we could protect for their care. And it was perfect to come here. They really were very caring and kind, but very much knowledge about what they were doing has really protected them.
The world that they grew up in was a lot simpler, and they didn't have the same number of laws, banking regulations, and tax legislation and regulations as well to contend with when they're earlier in their life. And so at this point in their life, her father being 97 and her mother being 92, you can see the need for really a close look at their finances, their well-being, and to make sure that they are comfortable for as long as we need to make them. And so this was a good way of ensuring that they were well protected.
I learned a lot that I didn't know. What I learned is there's so many laws and things related to what you should and shouldn't do, and also how to communicate better with banks and with the government, with healthcare, just how to be more legally prepared for those things and be able to get what you need and not drag it out.
It just teaches us all that the current status of law and finance and taxation requires the uninitiated to seek legal assistance, because otherwise either you can get taken advantage of or lose out on opportunities, or your loved ones will also not benefit from their needs in the long run.
Leslie was wonderful. The legal lady, Melissa, was wonderful. I even had an opportunity to talk to Josh on the phone about veterans benefits, and he gave me a really good tip on what to do with that, and it helped me a lot with my dad before he passed, so it was wonderful.
It's to the point where you don't know what you don't know. And the staff and the professionals here, we can't be thankful enough for all their assistance. Everybody here from the top down has been, and from the bottom up, has been very helpful to making us feel comfortable and looking forward to the security that it gives us.
Yeah. Nice.